Hello everyone, my name is Jay Gonzalez. I'm the System Administrator for the Texas Guardianship Association. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access our online on-demand portal. So the first step is you want to go to our website at texasguardianship.org. That'll take you to this home page. And if you scroll down, you can see several different categories of courses that we offer. But at the very top, I'll go ahead and walk you through how to purchase something from the Education tab. So your first step is you want to click on Education. Now, once you've clicked on that button, it'll navigate you back to this site, or this page. So once you're on this page, you have several different options. You can view all of our available courses. You can view our guardianship of the person, guardianship of the estate, our legal topics or exam review, or Texas Guardianship manual courses. If you click on how to access your course, it'll just link you back to this video. So I'll walk you through guardian of the person. If you click on that button, it'll show you all the videos we have under that category. And all these videos have a little blurb about them. So in this case, it'll tell you what this video is about, what it goes over. It'll tell you who the speaker is, how many credits it's worth, as well as the price for members and non-members. So say you wanted to purchase Shield Our Seniors, you would go ahead and click on the register button, and that'll navigate you to this site. So at the top right, it should say log in. Do not click that. You want to be logged out to make this as seamless as possible. Otherwise, you could have issues with accessing your video. Now, on this page, it'll give you a little more information. Once again, it'll give you a description, who the speakers, the credits, the cost, and then you'll see at the bottom there's a lesson 1 and a purchase here. So lesson 1, it's not underlined, which means you don't have access to the video. If you go ahead and click on purchase here, that'll go ahead and take us back to this website. So you have to log in. Now, once you're logged in, it'll take you to the purchasing form for that video. So in this case, it'll show you your name, it'll show you your phone number, it'll show you your email, and at the very bottom, it'll have the course name. So you go ahead and click on this, and then it'll also tell you the price. For me, it shows 0 because I'm on a tester account. For you, it'll show the member price or the non-member price. You go ahead and click on next, and that'll give you a brief summary of the transaction. So it'll tell you your name, your phone number, your email, the course name, as well as the total cost. At the very bottom, once you click on submit, it will take you to a spot to enter in your credit card information. Because on this account, it's a tester, it costs $0. It does not have me enter in any information. Now, once you've entered in all your information and you've confirmed the purchase, it'll take you to the confirmation page. It'll let you know that the form has successfully been submitted and that you will receive an email confirmation. Once you click on finish at the bottom of that confirmation page, it will redirect you back to our login page. The first thing you want to do is click log out right there on the right. And then once you're successfully logged out, you click member login. We do this to give our system a chance to sync with itself to ensure you have access to your video. Once you've entered in your information, you can click on login. Now, because it's a tester account, it won't see the same page as you do, but you should see online classroom at the top over here. And once you click on that, that'll take you back to this page. Now, once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on login in the top right. And now, once it says my account, that means that you're logged in. From there, you simply navigate to your video. In this case, I believe it was Shield Our Seniors. You click on details, and it'll say purchase here. And now lesson 1 should be highlighted now that you have purchased. It will continue to say purchase here. You do not need to repurchase. Once the lesson 1 is underlined, you can go ahead and click on it. And it'll say package was added to your account, as well as show you the video. And if we have any other information, such as a PowerPoint or handouts for this package, it'll be on this page as well. Now, you have to view the video at least once for it to be added to your account. So now that it's been added to your account, what that means is if you click on my account at the top right and you go down to my courses, that'll show you all the courses that you have purchased and you have access to. See? And because I have so many courses, it gives me 2 pages. Now, once you've watched the video through all the way, it'll generate a certificate for you, and that'll have your CE or CLEs based on the course, as well as your name and the date that you received it. That will be emailed to you directly, but if for whatever reason you can't find that email, or you deleted it, or you changed your email, if you go to your account and you click on My Certificates, it'll show all the certificates for any videos that you've watched all the way through to completion here, and you can just click on the download button to download a PDF copy. Now, if you decide that you want to purchase additional courses, you don't have to go back to our .org website. You can just click on Course List at the top, and that'll take you to an overview of all the courses we have available. Now, let's say you purchased a course. Let's say you purchased When a Bruise is Not a Bruise, Part 1, and Lesson 1 is not underlined. That might be because you don't have proper access. So, the number one issue when that happens is that you need to log out of both websites. So you click on My Account at the top, you click on Log Out, and once it says Login at the top, you go back to our TexasGuardianship.org website, and at the top, you click on Membership, Member Login, and that'll redirect you to the other login that you had to do. Make sure you click Log Out here as well, and once you're logged out, you can click on Login, enter your username and password again, make sure you log on to this website, and then you can click on Online Classroom to redirect you back to our academy, and click Login at the top right. And 9 times out of 10, that will resolve any access issues that you may be having. If you continue to have issues trying to access your course, feel free to email us at admin@texasguardianship.org. As well as if you have any general inquiries, we also are available at that email. Thank you. Have a good day.